Welcome back to our SCA Showstoppers newscast. Today's special feature is from our kindergarten department here at SCA. Over the summer, a rolling Promethean board was purchased for our youngest SCA Eagles to use, and K-4 teacher Donna Walker is working on the implementation and setup of the board.
I am Donna Walker. I am a K-4 teacher here at Sherwood, and I have some exciting news for you today.
Bye.
Well, the exciting news is that we have stepped into the new age of technology, and we have been blessed with having a Promethean board. A Promethean board is an interactive board that the kids can actually stand up and they can do lesson plans, we can do games, we learn how to match letters, numbers in sequence. So there's just an abundance of things that we can do with the Promethean board. Try that one over there. I have been dreaming of having something like this in my classroom for a very long time. This year, God blessed us that we could move forward and have this board in the room, and it's just been awesome. We use age-appropriate games such as Jump Start, Starfall, and ABCYA. And so they get that technology feel, and then the Promethean board on top of that has just added so much more to our classroom. And it's so fun, they love it, and they always want to be on it.
We're excited about this new interactive board.
In other news, the student government elections were held on Wednesday. Students gave their speeches and votes were cast. Congratulations to everyone who ran for office. Here at SCA, we're proud to have so many students run activities, and student government is just one of them. Michaela, we have something new happening this week.
Yes, we do, Thomas. This week, we will start learning about our new clubs here at SCA that will run during our Wednesday activity period time.
We'll have our junior ring ceremony this Thursday. This is a special time for our juniors, and now the whole school. On to announcements.
Thomas, where are you?
Sorry, I'm tardy, Michaela. Thought I saw my mom coming with brownies and I ran after her.
Did you get your brownies?
No, Michaela, I didn't. I did, however, get a tardy this morning. Getting to school on time, Michaela.
I doubt it, Thomas. In other news, Mrs. Knuckles says that we are beginning to form our literary trio and are looking for 3 girls who love to sing. We have done very well in the past at our literary competitions and looking forward to a great year. See Miss Knuckles for details.
In other literary news, the one-act play has been cast and looks forward to their region competition in October. Stay tuned for an opportunity to see them perform. Also, a reminder that there's a sophomore, junior, and senior parent meeting on Monday, September 9th at 6 p.m. Our Georgia Student Finance Representative, Miss Angie Wilson, will be speaking about financial aid basics for college and the Hopes Scholarship. Do you have an SCA shout-out today, Michaela?
Yes, I do, Thomas. My SCA shout-out today goes to Nancy Johnston, who attended Savannah College of Art and Design to learn more about video production this summer. Way to go, Nancy. And now, Thomas, we get to talk about our favorite topic. Thomas?
Yes, Michaela?
Is there a reason why you have a bag on your head?
Why, yes, there is, Michaela. You see, at this time, I have not received any brownies from my mom. And while we can order many things from Charleston gift wrap.
The final due date is this Friday.
Yes, it is, Michaela. We can order gift wrap and gift bags.
Like what you saw on your head, Thomas?
That's exactly right, Michaela. Like this lovely bag on my head.